Hey everybody, it's at AG Fun Things 123 here, and today I'm going to show you everything that I just got. And starting with a dish, and practically ending with this. It's a ATM bank. Sorry, I'm tired and I'm not really sure exactly how to say this. It's an ATM piggy bank thing, and it says ATM bank up here like I just showed you, and it's a moving sign. And then it says right there 24-hour banking, and it's got the cards that you can place into it and all of these little things. And I want to show you this because this actually works. Hit on, and it says deposit or withdraw on the screen right now, and I'm going to hit withdraw. So now it just says withdraw, and I'm going to click on 20 bucks because I wish I had it. Now there's no money in there, so it just says 0, but it's really cute. And then you can insert actual dollars in here, and to do that you just spin these little things, and it's a safe, and that's where the actual money goes. I got it for 99 cents at my local thrift store, and it's really cute, and it's a little bit small, but I don't mind. And the other thing that I got broke right away. It was a little pumpkin, and it was really, really, really cute. And then it broke because it fell. But I only spent 24 cents on it, so no big deal. Still, oh actually this was 24 cents too because it was 25% off, so got them both for 24 cents. Thank you guys for watching. Comment, rate, and subscribe. Bye. Ba-da-ba-ba-ba. Subscribe.